Okay, so I've flipped a couple in Silver Lake. The comps are all over the map.
Well,
one street versus the next street, the price is different of like 20%.
So I wonder where our house is. We own this house.
We already bought this house. Adam, what's the budget on this house?
We're trying to stick right around 400,000 for it.
It's a big budget for a 2,000 square foot house.
Obviously, it's going to have to be pretty high end because that's a super nice area.
All right, let me plug Heather's ears real quick.
I'm glad that we have a high-end budget, Adam.
I think she's already at 600,000 in her mind. Does it have a view?
Oh, it's a spectacular view.
Oh, is this it?
Is it? Woo-hoo.
Oh my gosh, it is bright today. It is hot today.
I'm liking these palm trees, babe.
So what do you think, cute?
I think it's so cute. It's like mid-century modern vibes, huh? Okay, I do see something that has to go.
What?
The wrought iron on the windows.
Oh, you don't like that? The security
You?
bars?
You don't like that.
Ready to see your first ever flip? Welcome. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Wow is right.
Incredible. This is a huge selling point for the house.
This is the biggest selling point.
Wow. This is so pretty, babe.
Would you imagine, like, sunset,
Yeah.
sitting out here?
Oh, yeah.
The sky's glowing, the house lights are
And
coming
then at
on,
night,
street lights
yeah,
are
with all
coming
the
on.
lights.
If we redid this patio, we can get one of those, like, mobile fire
pits, yes.
fire pit right
and make
here.
like cool lounge chairs, like a seating area. 'Cause this is like the money shot right here. I feel like this right away, it's so closed in,
So
right?
I'm just letting you know, construction is going to be challenging.
Why?
I mean,
'Cause
look
the
at this
ceilings?
place. It's just so old, and I'm wondering, like, can we raise the ceilings?
We can get rid of these wood beam things, right? Like this, like just these things, because it just feels so low,
That's
no?
what's holding the ceiling.
Okay, so the fireplace, it has to go, but we definitely need to add a fireplace somewhere.
Maybe an electric.
Like on the wall,
Let's
like
stand
somewhere?
over here real quick.
So bedroom number 1 is
Let's-
up here.
Yeah, let's
It's
look
a-
at this bedroom real quick. So it's a good size, yeah, good size bedroom. Oh my gosh. This is funky. So this is the shower.
So weird. Look
So
how low the
weird.
door is.
I know, it's so
You'd be
weird.
popping out the whole time. Okay.
So I like the living area here. You got nice views again.
So what would this be? Almost like an entertainment kind of hangout area with a couch?
Like living room,
Look
I
how
think.
funky that is. This like closet sliding thing going into a room. Or wait, no, that is a closet. Is that a closet? What is this?
Uh-oh.
Babe, what the heck is this? This is a closet, but what are these little funky stairs?
This must have been a kid's closet. Maybe you climb up to grab your t-shirts.
No, that is weird.
Well, I hope they didn't count this as a bedroom.
Honey, this can't be a bedroom.
Well, what's to the left? Oh, no.
This is not right. No. What the heck is this? There's not.
I think these are the two bedrooms.
This is a
Because look
bedroom.
at, here's bedroom number 4.
So that's the primary, but there's no bathroom. This is weird.
They're calling this bedroom 3 and 4.
Absolutely not.
Did you notice that this steps up?
Which is kind of weird too, yeah, right? What are we gonna do with that?
If you want to level it, that's this entire house that you have to level out. I mean, you're talking about a lot of issues that could potentially come into play here.
Over the years, I've bought hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of houses, and the majority of them we have seen. But there are some scenarios where you just can't go into the house, the seller won't allow it, the tenant won't allow it, and that's called buying a house sight unseen. So you really have no idea what you're getting into. It's already a risky business, but when you're going into a project with no knowledge, that's where you can get in big trouble. So I want to show you downstairs, though.
Okay.
Okay,
It's funky.
This is where it gets interesting. Okay, so here's the idea. What if we walled this off here
Okay.
and made from this point forward the primary? So walk-in closet, primary bathroom, primary bedroom.
So whole suite. And then we utilize this as a bedroom and another bathroom.
So this,
So now I'm walking into another bedroom.
Yeah,
And you
another
want to put
bedroom,
a
bathroom.
in here somewhere?
Yeah. These 2 rooms are good sizes.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
This is huge.
Yeah, this is a great
Yeah.
size.
So our plan is to reconfigure this layout and create a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. For the upstairs, we're gonna open up the kitchen so it's not as closed in. We'll rip out the fireplace, create an open floor plan to take advantage of the amazing view. Downstairs is a much bigger job. To get the most of the square footage, we're gonna throw up some walls to create a second primary bedroom with its own brand new bathroom. So we have our budget of 400,000.
Right.
Jeff came in with a revised budget at $315,000. We estimate the renovation to take about 25 weeks, and with holding and selling costs, we're all in at $2,685,000. If we sell for $3.1 million, we stand to make a profit of about $415,000.
Demo day.
All right, you excited to see this thing?
Yes.
It's gonna look so different than last time.
Wow.
Dun, dun, dun.
Look.
Wow, the house feels so much bigger.
Oh, it's so much better opened up.
By the way, how do you feel about the ceilings? That's the biggest problem.
Now that everything's opened up, I don't really think it's that bad, do you?
Well, if we drywalled it, I mean, it would feel even lower.
No, I like the beams because I feel like it kind of gives that mid-century look. Can we paint the beams or wrap the beams?
Yeah.
You
Well,
wanna
we
start in
have
the
options.
kitchen and figure out where we want to do a bar.
And how's,
Okay.
how's that baby doing?
Growing. 3
Growing.
months tomorrow. Oh, how about that?
Okay, how are we
social
doing,
media
by the
post?
way? We posted, what, 45 minutes ago?
Let me see. Blowing up, babe.
I'm so excited.
Everyone's
I'm so
excited.
excited for this baby. Let's talk kitchen.
Okay.
Let's take a look at this thing.
So it looks like there's an island right here, and on the island is where they have the sink.
You know, you want to make a drink, you're at the bar. Check that out. You're entertaining, you want to make a drink.
Entertaining.
You're looking at the view. This house is going to be sick.
I kind of want this house.
Well, we
Okay.
already own it. Want to keep it?
Besides our own house, this is my first time walking through a demoed house and seeing what we came up with come to life. And
Fun, huh? When you see the framing, that's when it really comes together.
yes, in my mind, okay, well, where's the closet gonna go? Well, where's the bathroom gonna go? And then you see the framing and like, oh, I'm in the closet right now. Oh, this is the bathroom. Wow, we have a room.
And everybody know it's not a mystery. Try something, but your words will never get to me. I just want the victory. Show us the victory.
Omar.
I am in the kitchen, or what will be a kitchen soon.
Ooh, what is it, design day?
Yep, it's design day.
Oh, no Heather today.
That sucks.
So I'm disappointed that I can't be at every Flip with Tarek and every design meeting because I know he needs me.
Me too.
But at least we have Omar, who's the in-house designer at Tarek Buys Houses, and he's incredible.
Let me see those plans.
Yeah.
He has a really good eye. He's been doing this for a long time, and I think he knows what I would like.
Let me show you the kitchen design.
Okay.
This will be the backsplash. This will look stunning. And then wait till I show you the cabinetry that I wanted for the contrast. See?
How would you feel if we did like a natural wood cabinets for the kitchen to bring some warmth in?
I don't really like the whole contrast that it'll give with the wood.
I think it looks pretty good, actually. The beiges, the browns, the woods, they're more popular than ever again.
Yeah,
so I
they
feel
are.
like this house, bring in like a modern flat panel wooden cabinet.
Okay.
Well, I'm so excited to be here today at the Hollywood home. It's been a lot of work, but it's so much gratitude because I've been able to walk in from the beginning with Tarek, come up with the designs, come up with ideas. Hi.
Hi,
Welcome.
beautiful.
And I'm so proud to show my best girlfriends what I've been doing.
Yeah.
Honors, Kristen.
Okay.
Wow.
Look at this.
Oh my God.
The floor looks amazing.
This was like ugly tile before, and this is gorgeous.
The color's amazing.
You love it?
Yes.
Okay, I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, careful of the step. Wow. Yay, everything's in.
Wow.
So this was not opened up like this. There was like this ugly, like accordion plastic door. So we opened this whole thing up, And then we added this big island.
Beautiful.
So this is my
Okay.
first flip that I did with Tarek. So this one is very important to me because it's like me showcasing my flip knowledge.
And how is it working with him for the first time doing this?
I love it. This is the first time I am putting my mark on a home, and it's important to me that I work hard for him. It's important to me that he sees my value. It's important to me that the company sees my value.
Oh, you're the most valuable person alive for me. You make me be me.
Oh.
I just put in 20,000 hours, grinding from the bottom, now it's blooming like a flower. Finally feeling great, moving like I'm on skates. Better mark down the date, shaking off all the hate. I don't have time to play, hoping you can relate. Better off cleaning the slate, throwing up all this weight.
Oh my gosh, it looks way better, babe.
What do you think?
I love it. Wow, different house.
What do you think about the black and gray?
I love it. When I came here last time, it was just wood, so they painted it since way better. It's gorgeous. I feel like it looks so clean and crisp.
I love this door, by the way.
I love this door.
All right, you want to see this thing?
I'm so excited.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
First flip ever?
Ready.
1, 2. Da, da, da.
Wow.
Dang.
Gorgeous.
Oh, look at the landing. It doesn't bother me.
What about the height of the ceiling? Doesn't bother.
Okay, I want to take all this in.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh, look at the wallpaper.
I love it.
It came out so
Oh,
great.
I'm so glad.
Oh, this is it right here.
Looks so good.
Oh my God.
I love that we did the wood
This is my
accents.
favorite. And look at this. Okay, standing right here in the kitchen. You remember this house?
Oh, I
We had a wall
remember.
this way, we had a wall that way. Like we had nasty old sliders. Look at this.
Oh, I love it.
Everything's perfect. We
I
have
love the wood.
details for the bar. We have the wallpaper, the fireplace, the floor plan's open. We have bifold doors.
And the staging, perfect.
Perfect.
Huh.
Did it come out better than you thought?
Oh, yeah.
The only thing that concerns me,
What?
it's not like a normal fireplace.
I think in the future, if we put other fireplaces in flips, we do the wall-mounted ones. But I think people are gonna love it regardless. The house looks incredible. I'm very happy with it.
Oh my God. Look at
What?
the view of downtown LA right
Oh,
now.
wow. So pretty.
All right, let's look at the outside.
Okay.
I love the
Wait.
flooring. Look at
Oh,
that.
it's so good.
It's very inviting out here.
I love it. Okay, so what do you think about this? We didn't end up redoing the whole thing. We ended up just adding this extension for the height, because remember, we needed to bring it up to code.
Yes.
And then this is all fresh new glass.
Brilliant. Saved a lot
So
of money.
save money.
This is great. Favorite.
You wanna go bedroom, see the bedroom?
Yeah, let's do it. Remember that funky bathroom? All right, let's see this thing. Love the flooring.
Pretty. That's the same flooring as outside. Mm-hmm. I love it.
Okay, so it's not the biggest bathroom, but it's cute and it works.
This is pretty. I love it.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, this room was
Ready?
real funky.
Let's see.
And it feels like a bedroom.
Oh, it's nice. Oh my gosh, way better.
So much
Oh,
better.
way better. Remember how ugly this closet was, honey?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Bugs.
Buggy. Hey.
What do you think?
I think it's great. Honestly, I love the size of the bedroom. You have direct access to the bathroom.
So cute.
Okay, I want to see the downstairs. That's what I'm most excited about, that new primary.
A whole new room, a whole new primary.
I love the railing. I love the hanging light right here. And
I
then
love
running
it.
the wallpaper down here, great idea.
Way better, honey.
All right, it's a little tight down here, but it feels like a house.
It's a home. It's okay. We needed that extra room.
Yeah, well,
we
yeah.
had to.
We need it.
So I need to follow up on this room because I wanted it to be a wine space storage, that extra space back there. Okay, so at least
Storage.
it's nice. The flooring is nice. It could be storage, wine room, it could be anything.
It can be anything.
This is a good little space. I'm happy.
Yep.
Okay.
That's it. And then honestly, storage is important, especially in the hills, so this
Agreed.
is nice.
Agree.
All right, let's go look at the primary.
Me first or you?
You go
Me.
first. It looks like they fixed the door issue.
Go.
So this used to be the downstairs bonus room.
Oh, wow.
Much better.
Oh, it's pretty. Oh, this is relaxing.
Yeah, it's such a calming house.
Oh, I love it.
So this
cute.
is primary
oh, this
one.
is the bathroom.
Oh, you're gonna love this.
Yeah?
Come here.
Oh, I love it.
How good does that
I
look?
love it. I love it.
It's great.
Okay, I am so excited about this one.
So if you remember, we added this door right here.
Yep. So now it's a whole primary suite.
Oh, damn, look at that.
Oh my gosh. This room feels bigger.
Yeah, it does. This bedroom's much larger than the other one.
It's because we removed the closet.
Yeah.
This feels like a good primary space.
All right, bathroom.
Bathroom.
Want to see the bathroom, Bugs?
So excited.
Right away. Look at the countertop.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Oh, dope.
It's perfect. I love it.
What do you think about this vanity?
I love the vanity. I
Isn't this
helped pick
gorgeous?
it.
Look at it. Is it a 4 or 5 inch drop?
I love this.
Wow, this
Gorgeous.
is really nice.
I love the flooring. Love the shower. Oh, it's so pretty, honey.
It's a brand new house. It really
I'm so
is.
happy with it. This whole vibe is better than what I expected. You know, I pick things here and there and there. Like I take what I've been walking through my high-end real estate homes. So when my vision comes, I'm very happy.
Okay, good. Mama's happy, Bugs.
Mama is happy.
All right, well, let's go talk some numbers.
I hope people walk in and know it was like built with love,
Yes.
designed with love.
Looking around, I think you absolutely knocked it out of the park.
Thank you, baby.
She took all those years of showing houses and going on listing appointments, all that knowledge, and she's brought it into my business. And with this house, it really shows. I think this is just the beginning of something very special.
So think about when someone walks in, they see this view, they see the remodel. We have 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's a good size home, but we cannot price too high or it's gonna scare people.
Comps are like 2.4, 2.5, but they're not as nice, nowhere near as
They're
nice.
not even near as nice.
And the views aren't as nice.
Exactly. Okay, can we go over our numbers, our break even, and like let's see like what we can make on this?
Yeah, so we paid $2,150,000.
Okay.
And then our rehab budget was $315,000, and then we had almost $50,000 in change orders. I think it was like $47,000.
Yeah.
Carrying costs and hard money loan payments, about $120,000. Wow. Yeah, it's a high-end house.
Bugs, can we not?
Yeah, and then also when we sell the house, we're gonna have closing costs and commissions of about
Sit.
100,000. Jeez.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So our break even is right around 2,730,000 is our break
Oh, wow. Yikes. So when we first walked this house, and the market was different.
even. Very different.
So I don't think we can go above 2.9.
No, I think I like 2,895,000.
I like that too.
Okay, 2,895,000.
Yeah.
You're hired.
What, am I listing this one myself?
You're gonna help me sell this.
Well, I'm definitely gonna use my resources.
Yeah,
but
for sure.
Let's be extra positive and say we're gonna sell it for over asking.
Deal.
And if it doesn't, and we sell it for the price we want, then we're happy either way. In the beginning, I didn't really think as much about the money and what we're spending, and now I really am conscious about the business. So that alone, I think I'm already an experienced flipper.
Selling houses is not flipping houses. They're 2 completely different businesses. So for her to come in with no experience and create a house that looks like this, I'm just so proud of you, honestly. Off to the next, let's get this sucker sold.
Bugsy, what do you think? Mommy did good on her first flip?
Look at what's in her mouth.
She was chewing the rug.
Buggy.
Look at her mouth.
Buggy, you're ruining all of our hard work. The market, it's moving pretty slow, but we've had a ton of interest, and we are so confident that with that view and this design, our first flip together, it's gonna find the right buyer.